What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking out this video, man. We're live on YouTube. We are also in our trading group on Telegram. Man, take me to the charts. What's going on with these charts this morning? Well, looks like sellers came in at the bell, 8:30, sitting right here, 8:30 right here. Boom. We got a reason to buy here at 8:32. Stop loss is the market high, the 8:30 high. We were targeting the session VWAP. It retraced, knocked us out in profit for if you took that trade, if you took that sell. Now we're waiting. Now we're waiting. See if there might be an entry. Bullish or bearish? Well, typically we go to the higher time frames, right? Look at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame tells us what? Could be bearish. Could be bearish. Had a couple of zones here, a couple of ranges here. Anytime there's a new week, and it is Monday. Welcome to Monday, everybody. Monday. We mark up the weekly Wickfield, right? Weekly Wickfield. And these two blue channels, those are 4-hour channels that I kept on the chart from last week. And price fell through. Price fell through the first one, came and retested the next one, fell through that one, and now we're retesting this. We could see some continuation to the downside. It's gonna probably take us a minute. Could take us all week. I don't know. We got some pretty big news Wednesday. So let's take it one step at a time, one candle at a time, one trade at a time, one day at a time. You dig? Previous day high and low. Boom. Where are you? Come on, little computer. There you are. All right, so we swept previous day low. First trade was resistance overnight. Sweet. Come on. I love it. Swept overnight low, came and retested the midpoint of previous day, Friday, and then we could see this thing fall. So let's see. Do I have? Yeah, so we can see this thing fall, continue, right? Continue down. We'll see. Looking like it wants to. Looking like it wants to reclaim these lower prices. Potentially go to overnight low. But we can also see the buyer step in pretty aggressive as well. We shall see. All right, let me just double check. We're live on YouTube, and I started this earlier. Having some sound issues, so I want to see if it's legit today. If it's legit, perfect. Boom. Sounds like it. All right, cool. All right, so where would we enter in this deal? I would need to see, because that's the volume right there. That's volume, but I need to see us break that session low, man. Needs to see us break that session low. Typically, right? Typically, one pattern that I've seen work as we approach. Well, we're already at 9 o'clock. I was about to say 9 o'clock. Let me see if I can do this right here. If we respect this low, right? If we respect the low, bro. Where's it at? IB Fibs, yeah. If we respect this low, we could see this thing run up. So I want to see if this low is going to be respected. Then if we get a break above New York VWAP, I'm buying. Right now it looks heavy, right? Right now it looks heavy. So I just want to see if this low wants to be respected. It looks like the sellers are taking it pretty aggressive. Now, and I missed an opportunity to re-enter on the sell at 857 because I'm buying a new Lucid account. Lucid, $100,000 eval flex. I'm trying this flex out. I tried that pro. Pro was fun. Pro was cool. I didn't like the consistency rule, so you know, can't even lie. When I have a ceiling, like you can only do $700, and I'm like, man, bump this. I don't want this though. I don't even want it no more. It was fun though. We took it up. We took it up to $5,000, 10 days. It was great. But then it's like, you know what? I want to try another one. I want to try where there's no consistency rule. Look at it. It's respecting that bottom. I want to try a eval where not eval, a funded account where no consistency rule on the funded. I just want to be able to let it rip. And I like the Trade C. The Trade C platform is dope. Trade C. All right, so it looks like I'm live. Let's see. Boom. All right. Very peculiar area right here, though. Just gotta be mindful. Gotta be mindful. Price is gonna do what price wants to do. It may show signs of respect here. May come down here, retest session VWAP, and then bounce up. So if that happens, we'll just redraw. We got about till 9:30 for this IB high and low to settle. Right? It freezes. It's permanent at 9:30. So this thing could just fall, and then at 9:30 we could see it run up. We'll take it slow, take it small, one trade at a time. Got about 40 seconds till this 5-minute candle closes. What else? I know there's something else in here. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Retested the 12-hour range. We also broke this trend line going down. But look how choppy it was overnight. Choppy. No continuation. Now we do see this, I call it a local trend from overnight low. What is that? 10 o'clock. And we had 3 touches. Boom. So I would anticipate price coming bounce off of that and go higher. We'll see. It looks like they're respecting this 847 low. Yeah, like I said, we get volume take us through New York view. I may try it. I don't know. Pretty cautious at the moment. At the moment, pretty cautious. This is looking like signs of respecting this as support. What else? Let's open up these charts. I keep flipping through these charts. Oh, you know what? Oh, yeah. Here it is. I mean, we're in between these weekly wick fills, right? These weekly wick fills are large. It means that sellers are sitting up here and buyers are sitting down here in this range. So we could see it just chop away in this range. Now, if you want to do a dope range day approach, bands. I call them the bullseye bands. You click buy when it gets to the bottom of the balance area. All right, so it broke the session low. Look at that. Broke the session low. Respecting this weekly wick fill. I mean, buyers could step in here. Let's see. Yeah, this bar right here, this candle that we're sitting in right here, looks like this may be a buy situation, man, today. I'm not sure yet. Not sure. I like the volume. This is a 45-point bar. This is a 45-point candle. Oh man, I like it. I'm tempted. 60-point candle. We got 10 seconds to go. Now, what could happen here is this is very enticing. So you can watch this next candle just get ripped to pieces, right? All the way down. But it may want to reclaim. Let's see. Man, that was a 75-point candle. Retesting New York VWAP. Let's see if we get the continuation low. Higher. I'm tempted. I can't even lie. I'm tempted to try a buy. Breaks the high. I want to go for it, but look at that. See, this is what I was talking about. Makes its way up. The next candle retraces. Let's just see. Very peculiar place right here. Very peculiar. And we're still sitting inside the 730 candle. If you look at higher time frame. All right. I think I want to buy. It. Yeah. I'm buying as we break above New York VWAP. All right. Let's put we'll put my trade. Look, break above and then reject. See, that's why it's important to wait for the candle to close, man. But it's okay. Let's see. We risk proper. Stop loss is going to be the low. Stop loss is the low. And we'll see if buyers want to take this higher, retest some of this higher price range. Maybe we can retest the top of the purple range. We'll see. TP1 is going to be 29,200. Let's go. We'll see what happens. Risk small, risk proper. Is that a color change I sense? It could be. I got to move this over here so I can see it fully. All right. Yep, I'm in on one buy as price broke above New York VWAP. So let me mark it up. Long. Boom. Look at that right there. Stop loss is the low. Pretty significant stop loss. Look at that. That's a color change. So I'm going to add one more. I'm in on two. In on two, targeting, what is that? 856 high? We'll see what happens. Very peculiar area right here. Very peculiar. So we'll give it a second. We got about 35 seconds till a 5-minute candle closes bullish. I want to see if we can just pop up out of this little buy side area and see if we can take it up just a few points. We ain't even asking for a lot. So we'll see. If price gives it, oh, well, we'll see what happens. Now we wait. Now we wait. 9:10 on the clock. Let's see if we can get us another candle close above New York VWAP. Or are we gonna be stuck in some chop? Look, don't want to get caught in no chop. See if buyers want to take this higher. 5 seconds to go till the next candle. Let's see if we can get that push up. I'm looking for that push up. What's the protection line going to be? Well, there's two of them that I'm looking at. This 4-hour channel level here, and there is the top of the deviation bands of New York session, New York VWAP. So we shall see. Don't know. Let's see what happens. Looks like buyers are stepping in. Okay, that's a 10-point candle, 13-point candle. See if we can take this higher, higher, higher. Looks like they may fail. Oh, the bottom of the has a weekly wick fill right there as well. So yeah, don't want to get caught in no chop. This is that midpoint of purple range as well. Shh, anything can happen. Risk proper, people. That's it. YouTube, risk proper. That's all. And we'll see what happens. I mean, that was a pretty decent push up, man. Decent push up at 906. 906 gave us like a almost 100 points candle. Wow. So we could see a retracement down to that gap that it left. We'll see. Don't know. Looks like buyers are getting a little hung up right here. Let's see if they can push through. Can you push through? Don't give up on us now, little buyers. You little NAS buyers. Still waiting. See if this thing wants to go up a little higher. We'll see. It may just be stuck in between these weekly wick fills, man. It's like, yeah, it's tight. It's a tight little range. Let's see. Let's measure how tight this range is. I got to do is weekly wick fills. And it's a 100-point range. So we'll see. We'll see. Does it get caught in this little 100-point range or does it break through? Don't know. We'll give it a second. We'll see what happens. We're not seeing higher highs at the moment. We're seeing lower highs and lower lows. Let's see if we can break through 856 high. That would be a great sign that buyers are ready to take it higher. If not, we're just going to more than likely accumulate, right, or consolidate in this range. Just got to let them do what they're going to do, man. Market is going to move. Losses are lessons, not failures, by the way. Brought to you by your friendly TMT Trader Motivator Timer. Bam. All right, next candle. Looks like we may be retracing, right? We shall see. 50 seconds to go till the 5-minute candle closes. Can they push up out of this range? We'll see. I kind of like it for the buys. I kind of like it. Let's turn on consolidation zones. Consolidation means we're going sideways. Still no consolidation phase. So, yeah, we can see it. We can see we're going to pop up here in just a second. We don't know yet. Let's see if they can break the 856 high. If they break the 856 high, that's going to be all right. See if they can break outside of this New York VWAP deviation band. That would be amazing as well. Looks like buyers are giving us a one more approach, one more attempt. I'm going to protect at the New York upper band. Oh, I like it. Oh, beautiful. There it is. Protect, take partials, leave a runner. Boom. You can't be mad at, what is that? 40 points? Come on. Let's see if we can get that TP. 60 points. Hold the buy. Holding a buy, guys. Holding a buy. Oh, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Boom. So I'm still in on 2. Still in on 2. Once you hear that alert, man, I'm taking one off. Probably just take one off now. As we approach 856 high. We could get that rejection. Yeah, I'm taking one off here. We could get that rejection here again, right? And we just stay inside this little chop range, man. This little chop, chop, chop. So yeah, I like it for the buy. Maybe I'm just not being as patient as I need to be to hold more risk. I'm just took most of the risk off the table. And we'll just hold one. And we'll see what happens. One trade. That's it. Ya no más. You don't need no more than just one. Risk proper. Stop loss is the session low. That's 114 points. We're targeting 62 points. We may get held up right here at the 856 high. Don't know. If stop loss holds up in profit, amazing. Amen. If not, we'll be at break even and I will go to the gym. And I'll be out of here. P&L's looking good though. Yeah. It looks like we get knocked out in profit. Hold on, let's see. 25 seconds to go. Here it is. Oh, you saw it right there on YouTube. Yo, you saw it. Knocked out in profit. I think that's it for me. I mean, there's plenty of opportunities going to be in the market today. Plenty. I'm going to take my profits and run. Because it could just be this nasty chop. 100-point range chop. Yeah, but I'm pretty content. Pretty content with the new Lucid Flex. Okay, so there's 50%. I believe there's 50% consistency rule on the eval, and then once it gets into the funded phase, no consistency rule. And I'm not in a hurry to get through this one. I'm stacking accounts, so this will just live $441 for the day. Sweet. Be content. Well, why don't you just pass it in a day? Don't want to. Could you? Probably. Probabilities. Who knows? Anything can happen. Let's take it one day at a time, one trade at a time, one candle at a time. Risking proper. That's it. This range looks atrocious, actually. This range looks atrocious. It looks like it is just gonna chop in between these wick fields, man. Let's see. So, had we took the sell, that would have been a win. Missed that on the sell. Was a little late to the chart, so it's all good. What else? Yeah, up, down, up, down, up, down. So if you're trading the range, you already know how to trade the range. You fade the extremes, right? You fade the extremes. When it gets to the bottom of this purple range, click buy. When it gets to the top of the purple range, click sell. That's it. If it works out, cool. If it doesn't, it's going to continue up higher to the higher price ranges. You can take the breakout up. If it breaks to the bottom, breaks and, you know, does this kind of thing, boom, TP1 sitting right there still. I just don't want to endure this chop, man. This is for the birds. 920. All right, I'm going to go till 930, and we want to see how this IB high and low prints. Now, that was another reason for an entry right there. I can't even lie. Breaking above New York VWAP. But I got to see the follow through. I'm going to try to buy last trade of the day. Pretty much the same entry as where I was. Pretty much. All right, and I'm in on one. All right, in on one. As price broke above VWAP, it could just be chop. And if it is, I asked for it. If it is, I asked for it. Yeah. So 920 is the entry. 920 candle on the buy, and we'll do the same thing. If it gets up there to the top of the bands, we'll protect. Let's see if it works out. 921 on your clock. Let's see. Let's see if the buyers want to take this higher, man. I mean, they're just kind of taking this sideways for a second. What's going on? Build up to break out. The good thing about sideways is, what's good about going sideways? The good thing about going sideways is it can't go sideways forever. It has to break out at some point, right? It has to break out at some point. And now we're just going to be patient again. Let's see. Waiting. Yeah, it looks like nasty build up. Nasty build up. See if buyers take this higher. ACH. Anything can happen. At the moment, we see that there's resistance sitting here at 29,200 and support sitting here at 29,033, let's call it. Stuck. It feels like a Monday. This is what Mondays feel like. Monday feels slow. Monday feels sluggish. Monday feels like there's no direction in the market. Mondays feel like money. Yeah, that's cool. Mondays just feel like that. Just kind of bebopping around. New York VWAP, session VWAP, volume weighted average price. Okay, finally, here's first consolidation phase of the market. Finally prints. Let's see if we get a breakout. I'm looking for a breakout to the top side, but anything can happen. It could go lower. It could run straight to our stop loss. 50% chance this thing works out or doesn't work out. Let's see. All right, breaking below, breaking consolidation phase to the down. So let's see. 23 seconds to go. Now I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this buy, even though we're seeing a little bit of retracement here. There's a little 1 minute gap. Remember that 906 bullish candle? We're kind of retesting that gap right there. I almost want to click buy again. I can't even lie. I'm gonna add one. Adding one on the gap play. I mean on two. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see if the buyers actually step in and take this higher. Don't know. Got about 35 seconds till a 5 minute candle closes. So I want to see if this, we're going to give this a second. It could just run down to our stop loss. If so, we're risking little. So come on, give it a second. Give it a chance. This is a gap scale in entry. So we shall see. Could come and fill the whole gap before the buyers step in again. We'll see what happens. So many probabilities. Probabilities. All right, 5 minute candle closes. Looks like price wants to maybe retest the whole gap. There's the midpoint of the gap. Let's see what happens. Ten seconds to go till this candle closes. Let's see if they get a little spike up, man. I don't know. Can't even call it. It's choppy. It's ugly. It's a Monday. Potentially going to fill this whole gap. We shall see. Rejected the top of the no trade zone, top of the session VWAP bands. Oh yeah, filling the whole gap. All right. Well, now at this point, I want to see if the support is going to hold. If they respect this low here, the session low, we'll still be in a chop. We got to see a breakout. We got to see a breakout of 15 minutes at least, followed by continuation, follow through. Still no follow through at the moment on either side. Range, go away. Range, go away. Oh, this looks like it wants to give us the push up, but don't know. We shall see. $17-point candle right here. See if they can take it up. Or do they fail? It looks like they're failing. Buyers, boy, buyers are trying their hardest to take this up right here in this gap. Very peculiar area right here. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sellers are trying to reclaim this whole, what is that? The whole 906 candle. Look at that. Do they respect this low or do they push through? If they push through, it is what it is, as they say. Can buyers step in and take this higher or do they take out this low? Well, that's another 15-minute breakout. Let's see if they give us the follow through for the sale. Very peculiar area. Yeah, sellers looking like they want to reclaim the entire move. All right, IB high and lows printed. Let's see if they respect this low. They could easily come and just sweep the low before we see a move anywhere, any direction. I will be out of the buys. We could try a sell here, but let's just end green. Let's end the day in green. Let's see. Yeah, swept the low. Boom. Touching session VWAP. This is what I'm saying, man. It's peculiar because we could get a bounce up from the session VWAP as well. So amazing. How about we just take our green and run? Let's end on a green day. Yeah, we'll be content with the green that we see. Because there's room to go down. Why? Overnight low. Let me see if I can find that. Yeah, overnight low. Perfect. Oh yeah, so yeah, there's a lot of space down there to go down. We're retesting the bottom of the 12-hour range as well. Yeah, very peculiar, very peculiar. So the idea here is what? Risk proper. That's it. Risk proper, stay in the game. All right, Zoom, I appreciate y'all hanging out. I'm gonna say bye to Zoom. I mean, not Zoom, YouTube. I appreciate y'all hanging out, YouTube. We'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.